Hello, I'm back. Yeah, I'm in the kitchen now. I mean, all that pantry talk, I was just making me hungry and thirsty. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. I don't fill it all the way up. That doesn't count as a whole glass. Excuse me. Anyway, so where are we? I hope you got a good snack. I made some cheese popcorn. It is really good. It's light, not a lot of calories. So, being in the quarantine, I don't know. Before this, I was always rushing around, busy, doing stuff, traveling in hotels and airports, and, kind of got used to having everybody make my meals for me. Now that I'm at home all the time, oh my gosh, all this cooking. And the restaurants weren't even open. I'm like, oh my gosh, good grief. Whose idea was it to feed them 3 times a day? I mean, who made that up? I mean, now me, myself, I just prefer to graze. Little bits all day. That's just me, dainty. Little bits. Get your own. Eat right out of the pantry or the fridge. Because grazing boosts your metabolism. No, Bill. No, you can't come in here. It's girls' night. Go watch a show. And don't watch that show we're watching. The one with, what's her name? And, what's that guy's, what's his, don't watch that one. That's the show we're watching. No, you can't go watch it with Mountain. That's cheating. A show cheating. Oh, it's a thing. No, Will. No, you can't have anything to eat. Go on. We are sheltering in place. That's a new rule by the CDC. It says you need to stay in your room. Yes, you can still play your video, but don't touch the screen. Social distance. My son, he's so sweet. Bless his heart. He is. He's sweet to the soul, just heart of gold, but he's useless. I mean, really, I'm just going to say it. I mean, I don't know if it's the age. I've been told they grow out of it. Maybe you have one too. I can feel you nodding, but he's useless. We've given him a nickname. Don't tell him, but we call him Bare Minimum. Yeah. BM for short. Y'all, I used to think I was a good mom till we had to start homeschooling him. Any y'all out there had to homeschool? First day, y'all. First day, I yelled at him so hard about carrying the one, I had to apologize and go get him a cookie cake to make up for it. He actually started doing better when I stopped helping him with his work. Of course, school's out now. But don't tell him. He doesn't know it yet. We said the president hasn't made the proclamation, so he better keep reading. He doesn't know he's going to spend summer camp in the laundry room. President's orders. Told him there was a press conference. Now, I love my family. I do. I'll just say that up front. You know how I love my family, but they are much easier to love from a social distance. I'm just saying.